Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a one-box break of Topps Sterling Baseball. Mystery pack on top, and then the topic will be Gold Glovers. Gold Glovers will be the box. Gold Glovers. Let me see the odds of that, if I can see it real quick. I can never find the odds of Gold Glovers. Gold Glovers is 1 in every 27 boxes. 1 in every 27 boxes. Good luck. Mystery pack. And it is a white suede. It's going to be numbered out of 50. A white suede for the Brewers. 12 out of 50 of Paul Molitor. Paul Molitor for the Phillies. Or the Brewers, sorry. Philly. I don't know why I said Phillies. For the Brewers, Paul Molitor, white suede. And here's the box. Good luck. 2009 Topps Sterling Baseball. Gold Glove. Who could it be? And I will do a slide, or if I do a slide on blog, it'll be... Ooh. Not autographed. Not autographed. It will be for the Cardinals. Numbered 9 out of 10. Quad jersey. Of Albert Pujols. Albert Pujols, 9 out of 10, quad jersey. Or it's actually jersey, bat, jersey, jersey for the Cardinals. Wish that was autographed. And second hit will be numbered out of 25. It'll go to the White Sox. Logos are White Sox. It'll be a Carlton Fisk. So kind of disappointing. No autograph. Quad bat for Carlton Fisk. The 3 base cards will be Steve Garvey for the Dodgers at a 250. Dale Murphy for the Braves at a 250, and Johan Santana for the Mets at a 250. So that's the box of 09 Sterling. That's the problem with Sterling, is you could get a huge hit, and you could get, it's still nice, Albert Pujols, don't get me wrong, but nothing, wish it was autographed. But Carlton Fisk, Albert Pujols, jersey, bat, jersey, jersey, and quad bats. Thanks for watching. GSN Cards is out.